Hi everyone. So today we're going to consider solving indefinite integrals of inverse trig functions, right? So we say inverse. So let's say inverse trig functions, trigonometrical functions. All right. So this is calculus. So for example, say we're asked to find the integral. Oh, so this one is not writing. So for example, if you're asked to find the integral of if you're asked to find the integral of say sine inverse of 4x dx. Okay, so how do you find the integral of this one? So how you identify the question to say this is an inverse trigonometric function? Okay, you can see that the sine here has an inverse on top. All right, now these are so easy to solve. So you will discover that there are formulas that we have to use when solving these ones. All right, so for anything, say you have a general formula. Okay, so if you're given, say, integral of sine inverse of u du, so your answer is going to be u sine inverse u plus root of 1 minus u squared plus constants. All right, so this is what you're going to have. So you will discover also that the integral of sine inverse and cos inverse are actually the same, despite that for sine you have a positive here, while for cos you are going to have a negative. So the generic formula for cos inverse produces this answer, u cos inverse u minus, correct? So that's why the difference is. So minus 1 minus u squared plus c. We're adding a c because these are indefinite integrals. All right. So coming back to this question here, coming back to this one, so our answer, if you have a solution now, so solution to this problem is going to be, we just follow this one here. All right, so this is the formula that we're going to follow. So just substituting, so we say replace, so you say replace u, because that's a variable for the variable for u in this question there, it's 4x. So we're going to have u is equal to 4x. Then you substitute, so your answer is going to be 4x sine inverse 4x again, well, there's u there, plus 1 minus, what is u? That's 4x squared, so everything squared plus c. Okay, simplifying this one, we're going to have 4x sine inverse 4x, all right, plus root of 1 minus root of 1 minus 16 x squared plus plus c. Alright, plus c. So this is now going to be our answer. This is going to be our answer here. Right, so it's very easy. You just have to understand the formula and also get to know that a sign will produce a positive sign on the middle here. Meanwhile, a cos is going to have a negative sign. So you substitute. So some of you might ask why we're having a 16x here. It's x squared. So when you square a 4, you're getting a 16. Square x, when you square an x here, you're getting x squared. So since these are indefinite integrals, so that's the reason why we're having a constant c there. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos that you might find beneficial.